Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we've got another video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and get verified through your TikTok. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. If you are a content creator, would like to get verified, simply go to TikTok, and for some cases you will find, go to profile, go to three dots, go to settings and privacy, and tap on this account. For some accounts you can find that verify your account option right here, and if you can't find, what you gotta do is simply go back, access your browser, simply type in TikTok verification, tiktok.verification, go ahead, search it up. Now then you will find this submit a verification request. Go ahead, tap on it, and now you will get this kind of interface, right? So what you wanna do is add your email address, your username, and then you will type in a message saying, hey, I would like to get verified and I'm eligible to verify. Then you will tap on, if you didn't find the verification attachment, right, you can go ahead, take a screenshot of your followers and your likes and stuff, your profile, and tap on and add attachment of another is that you didn't find the account verification option as well. And then you will finally tap on this agreement, and then we'll tap on submit. This request will be submitted to TikTok. They will look into it, they will visit your profile as well. If you are qualified, then you will simply be verified right there in TikTok, and you will get notified there in your email address, which you just added over here. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.